Hello and welcome back to Learn English Today. In today's lesson, you're going to learn essential English sentences for ATM, bank accounts, and bank statements. The exact sentences you need for real-life banking situations. Listen carefully, understand the meaning, see real-life examples, and practice with me. Let's get started and make your banking English easy and confident. Sentence 1. I'd like to withdraw some cash. Use this when you want to take money out of your bank account at the counter or ATM. Now, let's see how this sentence works in real life. Example 1. I'd like to withdraw some cash from my savings account. Example 2. I'd like to withdraw some cash, please. All right, let's say this sentence together slowly and clearly. I'd like to withdraw some cash. Great! You're doing well. Let's move ahead.
Sentence 2. I want to check my account balance. Use this when you want to know how much money is in your account. Let's understand this sentence with a real-life situations. Situation 1. I want to check my account balance at the ATM. Let's see another situation for your understanding. I want to check my account balance before making a payment. Now it's your turn. Practice this line with me. I want to check my account balance. Nice work. Let's continue.
Sentence 3. My ATM card is not working. Say this when your ATM card is not accepted by the machine. Watch how people actually use this sentence in daily life. First example. My ATM card is not working. Can you please help me? Now see the second example for your learning. My ATM card is not working since yesterday. Let's speak this sentence out loud together. My ATM card is not working. Good job. Let's go to the next one.
Sentence 4. I forgot my ATM PIN. Use this when you cannot remember your ATM secret number. Let's bring this sentence into a real-world examples. First example. I forgot my ATM PIN. How can I reset it? Second example. I forgot my ATM PIN and my card is blocked now. Listen once and now repeat it with me clearly. I forgot my ATM PIN. Excellent. Keep going.
Sentence 5. I need a copy of my bank statement. Use this when you want a printed record of your transactions. Now, I'll show you how this sentence is used in everyday life. Example 1. I need a copy of my bank statement for last month. Example 2. I need a copy of my bank statement for visa work. Okay, now practice this sentence with confidence. I need a copy of my bank statement. Very nice. Let's move forward.
Sentence 6. There is an error in my statement. Use this when you find a mistake in your bank record. Let's learn this sentence through a simple, real-life moment. Example sentence 1. There is an error in my statement. This transaction is not mine. Example sentence 2. There is an error in my statement for yesterday's payment. Now join me and say this sentence aloud. There is an error in my statement. Great speaking. Next one.
Sentence 7. My card has been blocked. Use this when your bank has stopped your card for security reasons. Here's how this sentence sounds in a real situations. Situation 1. My card has been blocked after 3 wrong PIN attempts. Situation 2. My card has been blocked. I can't withdraw money. Get ready. Now speak this sentence with me. My card has been blocked. Well done. Keep learning.
Sentence 8. I want to open a new account. Use this when you want to start a new bank account. Let's apply this sentence to a real-life example together. Real-life example number 1. I want to open a new account in your bank. Example number 2. I want to open a new account for my salary. Let's train your pronunciation with this sentence. I want to open a new account. Excellent. Let's continue.
Sentence 9. Is there any service charge for this? Use this when you want to know if the bank will take a fee. Now, see how naturally this sentence is used in daily conversation. Real use sentence number 1. Is there any service charge for this transaction? Sentence number 2. Is there any service charge for this ATM withdrawal? Now let's practice this sentence like real speakers. Is there any service charge for this? Awesome! You're improving fast.
Sentence 10. How long will this transaction take? Use this when you want to know how much time a bank process will take. Let's understand this sentence with a practical life example. Practical life example 1. How long will this transaction take to complete? Another example. How long will this transaction take to show in my account? Let's practice this sentence. How long will this transaction take? Fantastic! You've completed today's lesson. Great job! You've just learned 10 powerful English sentences for ATM, accounts, and statements that you can use in real life. The more you practice these sentences, the more confident your English will become. Thank you for learning with Learn English Today. See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and keep improving.